each other.
He has a great butt.
Oh. Whew. It's been a long weekend. It's already Sunday. I'm gonna bring you guys along today. Today I'm going to this market here in Miami. It's a shop small business market in the design district at this really beautiful venue that I've been to before. They had an art show and it's really awesome. So after I'll probably grab some lunch and I'll show you where we go. But how are you guys? How are you? How are you doing today? Let me just tell you that it's okay if you're not having the best day or week or month. Because let me tell you, this month has been a roller coaster for me, to say the least. And I'm here to tell you that sometimes we have all these expectations that we feel like we have to meet or we feel like we have to live up to, when in reality, sometimes life happens. We can't plan for an unexpected event. Things don't happen to you, they happen for you. I don't know where that came from, but it was just on my mind, so I wanted to share it with you. And yeah, ow, I'm so sore. This morning I went for a run and yeah, woo, my knees hurt. So I have 3 hat options. So come with me to figure out which one looks best. Oh, I like this. It says the white lettering, which matches my outfit. We can do a bucket hat. The only thing is I'm wearing red shoes. So I don't think that matches. Yeah, no, this is too much. Or we can just go traditional and wear white. So, ooh. I'm kind of liking this. I don't know. This is cute because it's like breaks it up. We have multiple colors going on. We changed, and that's what happens when you're waiting for someone to pick you up and you have extra time, you change. Does that happen to anyone else or just me? My vlog, for the vlog. Oh, it is a Jeep. So we got the ham and truffle omelet and the ricotta pancakes. Currently, we are south of Fifth, my favorite part of Miami Beach. And we have Luna Girl.
Luna, say hi.
Luna, say hello.
Hi. This is GPC. It's a streetwear brand in Miami. They're super dope.
Wow.
Check
Ooh,
them
what
out.
is the answer? Yes.
Positive messages.
All right, so we're at a Kava bar and we got our Kava drinks. Megan's gonna tell you what is in it.
All right, so I love this stuff. So Kava and kratom, they're both relaxants. Kava is actually
natural.
legal. In some states they are actually illegal, but in Florida they are legal. So Kava's a root and kratom's a tea. They're both pain relievers. They relax you. The difference is Kava's more chill and kratom's more uplifting. So it makes you a little bit more talkative, can give you more energy, focus. They don't taste the best, but they make them really good here. And it's just delicious.
What did we get to eat?
I got Love Life Cafe. A vegan salad and sweet potato fries.
Yeah.
How'd you know a vlog?
No, I live here.
She lives here.
Oh, okay, cool. You actually got like a lot of videos of him.
Oh, yes. I've been slacking because life's been happening. But in the beginning, I was so consistent.
John.
But we're getting back to it. Nice to meet you.
John,
Great to see you.
Nice to meet you.
You guys know each other.
He has a great butt.
Oh. Did you hear me? But to clarify, it is natural. It is not drugs. It's safe, and there's, you know, places around the world that have like actual bars.
It's only illegal in some states in the U.S. because the FDA doesn't regulate it, and it is natural.
Right. How about lion's mane?
That's a mushroom. It's like an herbal supplement. That's good for focus.
Yeah, I saw it in Whole Foods today, and I said it helps with like anxiety and depression. So I was thinking about trying it.
Ashwagandha is also great for that.
Yeah, I think they sell that at Whole Foods as well. Look at the moon. You see it on the camera so well.
Sorry about
Where are we going?
We're going to the basement to skate with the neon lights. We're gonna go crazy and hopefully not fall on our face.
Hopefully not.
We'll see.
We'll see you there. Let's see your shoes. We're going ice skating. I'm gonna suck. I'm scared. Don't fall. Is the TV on?
Just the regular shit, like no tells.
That's so cool.